Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Wuthering waves running but not opening on Epic Games. So let's get started. So to fix this issue, go into the Epic Games launcher and now go to library, and now under Wuthering waves click on the three dots icon and head to the manage section. Under manage, click on a folder icon towards the right hand side of install, and this will take you to the file location. Once in here, scroll down until you get to the application called launcher. Now double click over here and this should open up the launcher. To make sure that the launcher opens up by the Epic Games launcher, right click on it and click on properties. Now in the properties panel, go to the compatibility section and make sure to click on disable full screen optimization and apply and click on OK. If this still doesn't fix it, you have to create a shortcut to do that. Hold the control key and drag and drop this into your home screen. Now right click the launcher file and click on run as administrator, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.